Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Goeiemorgen, Sanbonani, Dumelang, Absheni, Molweni. Yes, we are here at ATSA, the home for confident, competent professionals in accounting, business, and finances. Thank you so much for joining us. My name is Busiso Joshua Molimi, and I'm joined by three professionals, Nadine, Sabelo, and Anin. Thank you so much for joining me this morning. We're going to have a discussion, we're going to have a conversation, but just to give a little bit of background on why we are here this morning. I mean, we could be elsewhere, but we are here to just give shine a light on accounting technicians in South Africa, the climate, the role of accounting technicians, and the future, the profession itself, to give more information to people who don't know about ATSA and what we do. So let's hear it from people on the ground. I'm going to start on my right hand side. Anin, thank you so much for being with us. Thank you for joining us. Just tell us who you are, your name, your surname, what you currently do.
Good. I'm Anin van Rensburg. I am an accountant at SAICA, also working on many entities within SAICA, of which ATSA is one of them. I have so many duties. Help with financial reporting every month, management accounts every month, procurement, purchase orders, cash books, so many functions. Of all you actually learn as an ATSA through qualification.
Fantastic. Why did you choose ATSA?
I was actually lucky enough when I started with SAICA many years ago. It was in the starting of ATSA, and they said, well, start ATSA qualifications. I go, okay, like, why not? And yeah, and so I've been lucky enough to introduced to it and had the opportunity of doing it.
And on the career progression, how has that been? From when you started to where you are now?
Definitely a big jump from where I started.
Sure.
I started as a normal creditors clerk, and yeah, I'm an accountant today.
Fantastic. Nadine, it's good to see you.
Good to see you too.
Looking great.
Thank you.
Can you just tell the people who don't know you who you are, what you do, and why ATSA? I know you're very passionate about it.
I'm Nadine Cater. I'm the General Manager for the Accounting Technician Program at SAICA. But my passion for training accountants runs right through my career. I started to trade as a teacher, actually, taught accounting for 10 years. And then I've worked at SAIPA, at Facet, and at ACCA. So this is my game. This is where I belong. And I think the passion particularly for accounting technicians is that it just provides benefits for so many different groups of people. So for students themselves, like Anin, she was able to use her experience, couple it with the qualification, and become a professional. For our unemployed graduates, it's a stepping stone into the profession where they may not have wanted to or have not been able to go through a CA route. They can become fully fledged professionals as accounting technicians. And for employers, I think it just creates a strong, solid base of competent people, like Anin has indicated. You need people that do the nuts and bolts. That's why I like the term technician. It reminds me of somebody that actually gets their hands dirty.
Yeah.
And does the actual hard work from the beginning. And I think Anin will attest to this, and so will SAICA. Once that basic work is done properly, we now have the auditors here, for instance, you will find that there are less errors. There is less time spent going back and fixing and reconciling trial balances and financial statements. So that's the passion I have. I think the accounting technician's role is underestimated at the moment, and that the designation itself needs to be elevated.
Fantastic. Thank you. So laying that foundation,
yes,
making sure that you've got the basics in order.
Absolutely.
Fantastic. Sabelo, your knees are good.
Excellent.
Okay,
excellent,
good.
actually.
Good. You look like the guy who makes money.
I help people make money.
Oh, you help people make money. Okay, cool. So to people who don't know you, your name, your surname, why ATSA, and what you're currently up to.
All right. So my name is Usabelo Kope. What I'm currently doing is that I'm a financial excellence manager with the SAICA.
Wait, you must say that again, financial
excellence manager.
And there's levels. People must hear what you do. Yeah.
Cool. So I'm with SAICA ED, which is SAICA Enterprise Development. So what we do at SAICA ED is more of a mentorship program for small and medium enterprises. Right. So I am in the SME space. Okay. So what I do is mainly around the financial side of mentoring and coaching small businesses.
And where did you start? So take me through the career progression.
Okay. So I've always known that I wanted to become an accountant, right? Even during high school, where I spent about 6-7 years volunteering as a bookkeeper at a local college. So it was a new college. They didn't have internal bookkeepers or anything like that. So I volunteered my time. And this is like at grade 10, 11, before I actually went to go and study accounting, where I now got into the nitty-gritties of what goes into basic day-to-day bookkeeping, right?
Which is underestimated a lot of times.
Yeah.
And one of the things that I love about ATSA, that it gives you the opportunity to then become a bookkeeper.
Yeah.
Carry on, brother.
Yeah. So that just basically cemented my passion and love for the science of accounting, and I actually went to go and then train as an accountant. I did my BCom at the Northwest University. From there, I joined a work readiness program, 6-month work readiness program, that then introduced me to a program that, or an initiative by SAICA called Enterprisation, where we would do the back office support, again, the nitty-gritty, the nuts and bolts work.
Technician.
Right? Technician work for small and medium enterprises. And that's where really my love for the science of accounting and for small and medium enterprises was.
Fantastic. So, ladies and gentlemen, we have heard from Anine, we've heard from Nadine, and we've heard from Sabelo about accounting technician, the role that they play, their career and how they've progressed through, and just starting. Pretty much what I've picked out is really just the foundation. Many of the things which we take for granted, ATSA is here to give you that foundation.